For all your installation projects, use Calculated Industries StudMark or StudMark Plus to find a stud quickly and easily. With the StudMarks, once you hang it, it will stay in place.
Good morning. Today we're going to install a bicycle rack. Now there's a lot of different types of bicycle racks out there, but today the one we're going to do has a single stud installation. So the first thing we need to do is find a stud. We have two tools to choose from. We have the StudMark Plus, and then we have the StudMark. I want to go ahead and work with the StudMark today. We're going to have two screws that we're going to use to put into the stud to get the rack held to the wall. And to make sure that we have everything level, we're going to go ahead and use our spirit level to get everything straight up and down. Now we are working on a wall that has metal studs, so we're going to go ahead and pre-drill our screws before we put them in there. So let's go ahead and find our stud. All we do is we move it on the wall in a Z pattern, and it has these two strong earth magnets in it that will help locate, oh, right there, the screw or the nail that's holding the sheetrock to the wall. We'll go ahead and we'll take off the marker that comes with this. It has two markers, and that way we can go ahead and bring our level up here, find our level line, and then once we find our line, we'll just go ahead and put a vertical line in there to mark it up. We can bring in our bicycle rack. We're going to set that right on our vertical line. Give ourselves a mark there, mark in there. And we're going to drill a little starter hole. You can see we're right in the stud there. Now all we have to do is change over to our drive bit. Position our bicycle rack in place. And there you have it. With the help of our StudMark, we were able to get our bicycle rack in place quickly and accurately.